Welcome back to the BMW from Chapel Hill series. Today we're going to be installing this IND distribution red start push button and housing. We've got our trim removal tools and some painter's tape in order to avoid scratching the dash housing when we go to remove. Next, let's go to the car and remove our old start stop button. All right, and to remove the start stop engine button from our original OEM, we're going to tape up the sides so that we don't scratch our dash while we go to do the removal. We'll just tape up a couple sides so that we can get some leverage against the dash without damaging it. Just in case we need to go to a few different angles. Next, we'll take our trim removal tool and see if we can't get it behind the housing and gently pry it out. And we'll use a second one just so we can get a little bit more leverage behind it as well. There we go. Now we can just gently pull it out. And just be careful as it is still attached. And then we can gently pull back on the wiring. Perfect. Hold that so it doesn't get sucked back in. We'll take our new IND red start stop, gently push it in, and then gently put it back into our housing once our wiring harness is secure. Just double checking. Perfect. We can remove our tape. And we can go ahead and see if it starts. And perfect, easy installation. Stay tuned for more episodes from the BMW from Chapel Hill series. Thanks for watching.